You searched how to buy shares of Novagold Resources Inc., a company focused on gold exploration and development listed on NASDAQ under the ticker NGUS. This video shows the practical steps to find and buy the stock. It is educational only and not financial advice. To trade shares, you need a brokerage account, and I will use eToro as an example to show the process. After signing up, you normally have to verify your identity with an ID document and then add funds before you can place an order. Use the platform search box and enter the ticker NGUS to locate the Novagold listing. Make sure you select the NASDAQ entry that matches Novagold Resources Inc. and not a similarly named instrument. On the asset page, you can review basic company information, the price chart, and recent activity, confirming that this is the correct Novagold Resources Inc. listing. Take a moment to check the details in the exchange symbol. To place an order, click Invest or Trade, choose the amount you want to commit, and review the order settings before submitting. If the market is closed, the order may be queued as a market or limit order when trading resumes, and if you do not have sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before confirming. After the trade executes, your new position will appear in your portfolio and you can monitor it from there. Check the description below for the example link if you want to follow the same steps on eToro.